Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Calma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. Today we are making a healthy and super easy bok choy shrimp recipe. And what we need are salt, cornstarch, chopped garlic, sesame oil, olive oil, water, oyster sauce, freshly ground black pepper, shrimp, and bok choy. They look like these. They are already totally clean and loose, separated. So let's get started and follow along. We are seasoning the shrimp first. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix well, set aside. And the shrimp will be our toppings for our bok choy recipe. High heat. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat for about a minute or two. Add all the garlic. Saute for about a minute or two, or until the aroma comes out. In the water, add the cornstarch. Mix well. Add all the bok choy. Cover for just a minute. Add the oyster sauce. Freshly ground black pepper. Sesame oil. Water with cornstarch. Turn the heat off. And it's done. In the same pan, cook the shrimp. Eating good. They look so delicious. Turn the heat off. Delicious. This is optional, by the way, for our toppings. Crispy fried shallots. They add aroma to your recipe. Smells so good. The shrimp, delicious and crispy. And the best part is to try what I cooked. Look at them. They look so yummy. So good. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, drop a comment. And if you have not done already, please subscribe and turn the bell next to it. I hope to see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone.